is an urgent message for the following county: El Dorado, California. The National Weather Service in Sacramento has issued a flash flood warning for eastern El Dorado County in Northern California until 6:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 3:39 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 1 inch of rain has fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. California Highway Patrol reported a mudslide on Highway 50, just west of Strawberry. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Twin Bridges and Sierra et al. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Please report observed flooding to local emergency services or law enforcement and request they pass this information to the National Weather Service when you can do so safely.